Hi there, welcome again to HighFiveHive, Nature's Remedies, Kitchen Herbalism. And today we are going to finish up our lavender oil project because guess what? Christmas is coming. And so these will be ready in time if you want to order for Christmas. But first of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Kasharion. I am glad you're here. And if this is your first time, welcome. And please like and subscribe so that you can follow us. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. So it's nice and warm. We've taken it out of our water bath. So let's get going. I like to strain it when it's warm. It seems to flow better. So we're gonna drain it there. And if you were with us in the first part one, then you know that we have a mixture of coconut oil. We have a sweet almond oil and olive oil, and we have lavender. So that's what we're straining today. And look at all that. Look, it's a lot. It's a lot. I might have to break out the other one. We'll let that drain. And while that's draining, we will bottle these. You just sit over there. I'm also drinking a cup of my 5 mushroom alternative coffee. It's not coffee, there's no coffee in it, but you know, for lack of a better term. But it's so delicious and tasty. Perfect for this cold Saturday morning. And so let's get to bottling here. Funnel. Oops, making a mess. And this is lavender oil. Lavender oil is good for stress relief, perfect for aromatherapy. It smells so wonderful. You can pour the oil in your bath water, put it on your skin. If you're having a headache or a migraine, rub it on your temples. But it's really nice after a nice hot shower or bath, and rub it all over your skin and jump into bed. Sleep like a baby. So, like I said, we're getting ready for Christmas, so I'm doing a lot of oils for Christmas, and so they'll be posted in the store, and the link to the store will be in the comments. So if you like to purchase some for yourself or a loved one, they make wonderful Christmas gifts. The gift of health is always good. So there we go. As you can see, I make small batches, so we should get up, You want to get, if you want to purchase, you want to purchase them before they're all gone. But the one great thing about oils, if you know, we do run out, I can have another batch whipped up relatively soon. I might have put a little bit too much in that one, but we'll see. We're going to try to make it even as we can. These are 4-ounce bottles of oil. You can, if you want, you know, any larger quantity, you can always send me an email and through our contact us, and you know, specifically request that you like to have an 8-ounce bottle, and I'll bottle you some. No worries. Oh, if you hear my music in the background, it's what I play while I'm mixing my herbs, my praise and worship. So everything's mixed with love and grace and God, with God's blessing. All right. So we also have this over here. Now we'll just let it continue to drain over here. And we'll probably get a full bottle again once that one finished draining. So we'll let that strain for a while. You can squeeze it out if you like to, but I just like to let nature take its course. It will drain in due time. I'll come back this afternoon and refill up this bottle with what's left, what's drained from the other one. But for right now, I say we did really good. 2, 4, 6 bottles, because I'm pretty sure we will get enough from this here to fill up this here. So that's 6 bottles there. Six times 4 is what? 24 ounces? So approximately 24 ounces so far. So we'll put the caps on. I buy everything in bulk from Amazon. Amazon is my friend. I can find just about everything I need, decent prices. So I can pass the savings on to you. Okay. Then the next step in the process is to label them. So what you want to do is you want to put the, we'll put the what's in the bottle, how much is in the bottle, and what's the best date to use it by. And right now I am I print my own labels right now because they're we are like I said, small batches for right now, but as we grow we will definitely invest in a bulk printer, a bulk printer. So this is lavender oil. Okay. And then, we want to print that, and we said 1, 2, 6 bottles. Hope this doesn't run out. I've been printing a lot. I might have to put in another roll. So that is done. Our lavender oil. So that's the face. We got the face going. Isn't that pretty? I just love these little labels. Then I need to make the back of the labels, and the back will say, like I said, what's in it. It will also say when to use by. So we have in there lavender, we have sweet almond oil, we have olive oil, we have coconut oil. That is going to be so divine and rich on the skin. All of those oils are nice healing oils, and they moisturize the oil. If you have dry, it's really good for like now, the winter time, where it makes your skin, your skin real dry and flaky and painful. So this will help with that, definitely. And so this oil, we're going to give it a 3-year shelf life, which is the shelf life of our oils. And so we're going to say used by 11, 23, 27. Okay. We're also going to say how much is in there, which is how much? 4 ounces. 4 ounces. All right, keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully we have 6 labels left on this roll. So far, so good. Woohoo, look like we're gonna make it. We made it. All right, so let's put the label on these two so you can see the finished products. And that's the back label. As you can see, it has what's in there, the lavender, the oils, and the use by date, and how much is in the bottle itself. So I want to thank you for joining me again. And for those of you who are new, welcome and thank you. Make sure you like and subscribe us so you can see what's coming up next, what we're going to be putting together next. I think I'm going to do some tea infusion bombs. That's the latest I've been seeing going around. So I'll put some together so you'll have it for the cold and flu season, because the weather is turning and it's nice to have that on hand, you know. You can put it in the freezer. But we'll go into detail. So like and subscribe so that you won't miss it. And for those of you who's joining, thank you so much. And please stop by again. And we'll take a look, see what's brewing. Bye now.